Hello everyone, my name is Vikas and I welcome you all at my YouTube channel Neat Crash Course. Here, dear guys, you will get each and every point related to the topic. So, today we will discuss about human health and disease. Human health, what do you mean by human health? So, dear friends, according to WHO, World Health Organization, WHO gave the definition of health in 1948. According to the WHO, health is the state of complete physical, mental, and social well being. Okay, friends, now what are the factors affecting the health? Health can be affected by genetic disorder, infections, lifestyle. Say genetic disorder means the abnormalities in the chromosome number and defect in the genes. So these are the genetic disorder. And infections means the if the pathogen enter in our body, then it causes the disease. So infection also affect our health. And the lifestyle, say the food habits and exercise. If we have do not good food habits, if we don't take the balanced diet and don't do exercise, then we have also the disease. So these three main points which affect our health. So what are the ways how can we maintain our health? Then there are different ways or methods, like we should take the balanced diet properly, and we should do the exercise daily, and avoid the spicy food, and contaminated water should be cleaned before the drinking. So avoid the proper disposable of the waste product, and maintain the proper hygiene condition. So these are some ways how can we maintain our good health. So next is disease. What is the disease? Disease is the any discomfort or improper functions of our body organ. If the any organ in our body does not work properly, so it will create the discomfort. So these are the disease. If our body does not work properly, is that right? So diseases are of two types, mainly two types: congenital, acquired. Congenital disease are those diseases which are present in our body since birth. Dear friends, so the diseases which are present in our body since birth, these are the congenital, like color blindness, hemophilia, right? And these are the diseases which are present in our body since birth, are called congenital. And acquired diseases are those diseases which are present in our body after the birth. After birth. So these are the acquired disease, and further acquired disease further is divided into two subcategory: communicable and non-communicable. Communicable disease are those disease which can spread from the infected person to healthy person by different ways. So communicable, if you talk about the coronavirus, is the communicable disease. So communicable disease further categorized into two: contagious and non-contagious. Contagious means the disease that can spread directly, direct through contact. The disease which spread through the direct contact to the patients or virus are known as contagious. And non-contagious, the disease which require the vectors, which require the carriers for its spreading. Like if we talk about the communicable in non-contagious, like malaria and dengue, they require the carriers or vectors, but they do not require the carriers. Like if we talk about the coronavirus, coronavirus does not require any vectors. So these are the communicable, non-contagious and contagious disease. So if we talk about the non-communicable disease, the disease which cannot spread from the infected person to healthy person, they are specific into the individual. So what are that disease? The first is deficiency disease. Deficiency disease means any deficiency in the nutrient. You can say any deficiency in the nutrient that cause the deficiency disease. Like if we don't take the proper amount of vitamins, due to deficiency of vitamin cause the night blindness, and deficiency of vitamin B cause the beriberi disease. So these are the deficient disease. So they are not spread from infected person to healthy person. Next is degenerative disease. Degenerative disease means the malfunctioning of any organ in our body, like heart disease. If our organ does not work properly, like if the kidney does not properly the filter our blood, so they undergo the degenerative disease. Like next is third is allergic disease. They may cause in our body, there are some substance which cause allergy in our body. Fourth is cancer is also due to some physical chemical methods. And fifth is mental disorder and anxiety, tiredness in our body, they are also undergo the non-communicable disease. And the addiction is the, if some chemicals we take and we becomes addict for it. So these 6 points which are undergo the non-communicable disease. So guys, I hope you understand these things, and thank you very much. If you have any query, then please comment and share this video. Thank you.